फिफ्थ है रिफॉर्म इन एग्रीकल्चर, मीन्स रिफॉर्म इन एग्रीकल्चरल टेक्नोलॉजी। रिफॉर्म इन, फिफ्थ फैक्टर है रिफॉर्म इन एग्रीकल्चरल टेक्नोलॉजी। एस स्टूडेंट्स, इस एग्रीकल्चरल productivity increased significantly thereafter, a result of the use of new agricultural technology. Reform means सुधार. Students, you know that before the reforming of agricultural technology, the people of village areas work as farmers of village areas works as traditional farmer, means traditional agriculture practice include the use of indigenous input such as the use of organic manure, seeds, simple plough and other agricultural tools. Due to the traditional means they utilize in the agriculture, that is why there was very less crop production. Due to the commencement of the reform of agriculture technology, the crop production increased manifold. Crop production increased manifold. The new agricultural technology consisted of the use of high yielding variety seeds, जिसको हम कहते हैं HYV, हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड्स, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स, पेस्टिसाइड, इंसेक्टिसाइड, एक्सटेंसिव इरिगेशन, गहन सिंचाई. एक्सटेंसिव इरिगेशन means more facility of irrigation. Agricultural machinery such as tractors and threshers, harvesters for the cultivation of wheat and rice. Students, due to the reform in agriculture technology, utilizing nowadays the farmers utilizing high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticide, insecticide, and extensive irrigation, agriculture machinery such as tractors, harvesters, sprayers, threshers, and many other equipments, many other agricultural tools to produce wheat, rice, and many other crops. In this way, reform in agriculture technology more contributed in the increase of crop production. Next means 6 है ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन, जिसको हम हरित क्रांति कहते हैं. Green revolution and the use of through green revolution, the use of modern technology has led to increase in agriculture productivity, which has been the major factor for increase in agriculture output, particularly between 1965 to 1990. Students, mid of 60s, due to the lack of food grains in our country, due to the lack of food grains in our country, government of India launched a new policy to revolutionary change, to bring new revolutionary change in agriculture. In this way, government reformed agricultural technology and also make arrangement for high yielding variety seeds, fertilizers, insecticide, pesticides, and invested to expand the irrigation facility, and also different modern agricultural tools, machines like harvester, tractors, sprayers, threshers, so many machine and tools, those facilitate in agriculture, not increase the production of the area, but also it helps to increase the area under irrigation and also under cultivation. In this way, green revolution helps to produce more and more food grains in India, and it leads India in self-sufficiency in food grains. Yes, students, increase in agricultural production, एग्रीकल्चर आउटपुट, इस तरह से जो आप लोगों ने देखा, इन फैक्टर्स ने हमारे एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन को न केवल कल्टीवेटेड लैंड, नेट इरिगेटेड एरिया को बढ़ाया, बल्कि हमारे प्रोडक्शन को इतना अधिक बढ़ा दिया कि आज हम सेल्फ डिपेंड हैं फूड ग्रेन पर, किसी दूसरे देश की ज़रूरत नहीं है। एग्रीकल्चरल डेवलपमेंट has been given high priority during the 5-year plans. The production of food grains has increased from about 51 million tons in 1950-51 to over 275 million tons in 2016-17. The result of this is that the country is now self-sufficient in food grains. Students, due to the contribution of different factors in agriculture, our agriculture output increased manifold Then 1950-51 in 2016-17. Students, in 1951 50-51 our total crop production was 51 million tons, but due to the utilization of different modern machines, irrigation facilities, high yielding seeds, modern and using modern technology, our country now able to produce more and more grain. Students, you know that the crop production was 51 million tons in 1950-51, but it increased in 2016-17 to over 275 million tons. In this way, the result of this, that the country, not only Palampur, but the country is now self-sufficient in food grains. Okay, students, thank you. Your class is over.